Hi, I'm Brian S. Mahoney of BrianSMahoney.online.com. What elevator installers and repairers do. Elevator installers and repairers install, fix, and maintain elevators, escalators, moving walkways, and other lifts. Work environment. Elevator installers and repairers often carry heavy equipment and parts. Repairs may be required to work overtime when essential equipment needs repair. Some workers are on call 24 hours. How to become an elevator installer and repairer. Nearly all elevator installers and repairers learn through an apprenticeship. Currently, 35 states require workers to be licensed. The pay. The median annual wage for elevator installers and repairs was $76,650 in May of 2012. The job outlook. Employment of elevator installers and repairers is projected to grow 25% from 2015 to 2022. Much faster than the average for all occupations. New installation and maintenance of elevators and escalators in stores and residential and commercial buildings should spur demand for workers.